Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're joined by Ajit, and he's going to have a pretty cool presentation about code conversion using Streamlit, Python, and ChatGPT. My name is Mustafa. I'll be here while Matt's gone, but he'll be back pretty soon. Ajit, I'll let you introduce yourself and introduce what you're talking about, and then we'll go ahead and jump in.
Hey, Mustafa, good morning. This is Ajit Das, and thanks for giving me your time.
Yeah, for
I
sure.
know you have a busy schedule. So today's topic we are going to discuss, as you introduce, like code conversion. The main goal of conversion, three things. One thing is that it will convert a source code to a target code. Like let's say if you want to convert from SQL to MySQL, answer SQL to MySQL, it will do that. Second thing is
Mhm.
that it is much more easier for the developer without a minimum knowledge they can do the conversion. Third thing is that it saves time and as well as the dollar value, the cost. So it is much more quicker, and with a click of a button the code can be converted. So it's not only do a single file, it can do multiple files, as long as the files are like assorted or put in a sequence manner. It will take one by one. After one file completed, one file code, it goes to the next one. It will keep on repeating based on
Cool.
your limit.
Yeah, sounds like super interesting stuff. I'm excited to see, what you've got to show us. Let me know when you want
Yeah,
me to share the screen and we'll throw it up there.
yeah, please.
Okay, sharing now.
Do you see my screen?
Yep, I see where it says code converter instructions.
Yeah. So, so here, I can introduce this little bit. You see the left hand side, all the controllers are there. It's called temperature controller you have here, and side, sorry, but then below that you have a token. Then the source language, you can select whichever the language you have. Then you have a target language which you want to convert. Like let's say I want to convert Spark 2.2 to Spark 3, or if I need to convert from, let's say, SQL to MySQL, or a TSQL to MySQL, you can do that. Then you have to put the file from where your source data are located, and target where you want to, after the conversion you are going to get those converted file. So here all the nominations what you have selected, options are given here, and there is here how you need to do this stuff is given here.
Cool.
So Mustafa, do you have any questions so
No, I'm
far?
just excited to see how it works.
Okay, so here I'll tell you a little bit the code you can able to see. So here what we are trying to do, we have this
Can you
code, and
can you zoom in on your can you zoom in on VS Code a little bit? I think you can
okay,
press Control plus.
canvas. Okay,
There you go.
so what you do, we are using GPT. We are calling the GPT, and I hide the key. Then we are using different selection of the language. What we are trying to select here. Then we are selecting a source language. You can select, as I show it to you, the target, and also there is a temperature slider. What I showed it to you before. Here, minimal and maximum value, and the steps been you can increase by the slider. Similarly for the tokens, here it's given here, and it takes the source file here, the locations I give it to you, the boxes, then the target file where you want to converted file to go. So we are
Cool.
using in GPT the 3.5 turbo currently to convert it.
Hmm.
So after the conversion, the files will show the results here. So let me go and show you how it is. Let's say I have to convert Spark 2.3 to Spark 3.0, and I have a source location. I'll go here. Let's say my source file is here in my local. Uh, so I'll go and put the source file. Then I have a target file. So where I can go to. So you can see there is nothing there in the target file folder.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see here. Then I'll show you a little bit about the code, how the code looks like. Let's say I go to the code source. If you can open, you can see it's a small file of Spark 2.0, and we are going to convert this.
Mm.
So let's say I'll go to the source converter. So what I did, I put the temperature 0, because if you want to keep code as it is conversion without any extra nuisance, I just put it 0.0. If you need a little bit information more, you can change this temperature by sliding it. So I'm keeping 0, and token I'm giving like 256, or probably I can give like a little bit more here. And I given your source. You can see code source and code target. So now let's say convert it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to do the convert. You can see the here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's start doing the conversion. After the conversion is done, it will give pop-up with message. It's telling now the convert Spark file 2.0 converted successfully to the Spark 3.0. So, and it is in the target locations. So I'll
Yes.
go there and go to my target. You can see there is a file now. So it is telling you like, Spark 3.0, it's converted. Like, if you look into it, let's open the source file. So this is the source file. It was 2.0. So now it's converted to 3.0.
Cool.
Okay. So then it's giving some of the example code is the same, both version of Spark. There are no changes required to run this code in the Spark 3.0. So then if you want to change some new, but it will keep on giving you some more information, like, how you need to work on a group by, how you need to do the aggregate, some other nuisance it's going to give. So that's why I put in the 0. So this is the conversion is going to do. So if you have multiple files, you can put it here, and it will convert based on that.
Oh, this is great. This is a great use case for
Yes.
AI as well.
Yeah.
Who wants to have to go through it manually, right? And change
Yeah.
all change all the new functions to the most updated
Yeah.
version. You don't have to do any of that. You can
Yeah.
just stick it in.
So I can show you to, like, let's say we change the temperature a little bit.
Yep.
Let's convert it. So same file we can see. So let's say go there. The file generated get generated 9:36 Pacific time just now. You just see it was not there previously. So giving more. You just see Spark 1 shuffle partition is now set to 200. All these things it will give you all the information a little bit. Sometime, because if it's not required, don't go for it.
Got it.
So okay. So it was the initial conversion. This is the second time conversion we did. Like initial conversion, you can see it's went to something aggregate and group by. Now the second time when we run, those texts are gone, and it's different text is given.
No, this is great.
Yeah.
Thank you. We really appreciate you showing us this. Are we going to stop and head to the next demo, you think?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, no problem. Thanks everyone for joining. There'll be some more information in the
Thank you very much.
description. Tune into the next video as well, where we're going to show
Thank you.
kind of
So do I
another
need
cool
to stop
example.
this?